The banking system has been one of the beneficiaries of the advancement in software and technology. However, in emerging economies, a vast majority remains unbanked. A fast-growing self-service payment kiosk operator in the country tries to fill the void by fostering financial inclusion and providing effective access to Filipinos. Good evening, I'm Pinky Webb, and this is Business Matters, where doing good is good business. Disparity in financial services distribution leaves a large segment of the population still financially excluded. According to the 2021 United Nations Financing for Sustainable Development report, only 63% of adults in developing countries such as the Philippines have a bank account. Despite this, the launch of electronic money or e-money system has accelerated financial inclusion in the country.
From the latest BSP data in 2021, there has been a surge of account ownership in the last 2 years, primarily from the growth of e-money-based customers. Right now, about 56% of the population owns a financial account. And we see this trend being upward as more players in the digital space come in to serve a growing market, to narrow the current gap to financial access and be able to foster again financial independence to a greater majority.
Owned by one of Australia's leading ATM and fintech payment processing companies, this BSP certified self-service payment kiosk operator aspires to give more Filipinos access to digital solutions that allow them to take care of daily needs, purchase online, and pay bills.
Pay&Go is actually a channel, no? With the rapid adoption of digital financial accounts, we see ourselves in the best position to be able to offer a simpler way by which they can put money in and take money out from their financial accounts. We position our channel to be the first and last mile, that will bridge traditional cash into digital.
To date, the company owns and manages more than 15,000 self-service devices across Australia, India, and Southeast Asia, and has been operating in the Philippines for 7 years now. It offers a range of financial services from loading customers' e-money wallets to contactless financial transactions like accepting and processing bills payment and purchasing mobile prepaid loan in many convenient locations.
For our customers, the main benefits of Pay&Go is ease and convenience. They don't need to make special trips to do their financial transactions. And of course, being contactless, there's no need to be face-to-face when you're doing your transactions.
The company also has a nationwide presence across locations where the foot traffic is high and where most people do financial errands like major business districts.
Our major partners are malls, pharmacies, retail chains, and other commercial locations. We are in 1,000 plus locations nationwide, and we plan to expand it in the coming years.
Similarly, the kiosks have been beneficial for their store and venue partners in creating value for their customers by providing them with a hassle-free and contactless way to pay.
On top of the regular grocery shopping, Robinsons Supermarket offers other services such as bills payment, telco loading, and soon money remittance. To date, we actually have 206 Pay&Go kiosks deployed in our stores in the Robinsons Supermarket, Robinsons Easy Mart, the Marketplace, and Shopwise stores. There is presence in as far as La Union in North Luzon, Albay in South Luzon, Iloilo and Cebu in the Visayas, and up to Davao and Cagayan de Oro in Mindanao.
Nakatulong ang Pay&Go business sa amin dahil nakaka-entice siya ng mga bagong tao na pupunta sa aming tindahan at magbabayad ng kanilang mga bills, sa bawat bayad nila ay may porsyentong natatanggap ang tindahan namin.
Moreover, this system also augmented the livelihood of other service providers like delivery riders, especially during the lockdowns.
Nakakatulong yung Pay&Go sa mga delivery riders dahil naglo-load sila ng kanilang mga e-wallets kagaya ng Maya, GCash, Shopee na tumutulong sa kanila para magbiyahe ng tuloy-tuloy.
I like using Pay&Go because its location is very convenient for me, especially my office is very nearby, and I also like going to Lawson. I get to do banking services even after banking hours. I have other options for me to deposit my cash even when the banks are closed.
Fulfilling its goal to bring financial inclusion to underserved areas in the country, the company strategically deploys kiosks and ATMs where they are most needed.
Every holder of a smartphone or a smart device can potentially own a financial account. That's where we actually come in. We'd like to be where they are at. We'd like to be at reach within their community, so that they can use their finances to transact digitally.
And by offering an end-to-end solution from deployment to maintenance and customer care to handling financial transactions in a fast and secure manner, the company hopes to accelerate financial inclusion to tap into potentially transformational opportunity for growth.
When you enable any person to own a financial account, they would need access or a means to top it up. And the ecosystem becomes more inclusive and complete once you both have ownership and accessibility made available easily to them.